In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Brother printer to a wireless network using the Brother Mobile Connect app. First, make sure you download and install the Brother Mobile Connect app on your mobile device. You can download the latest version of this free app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, let's begin the setup process. Turn on your Brother printer by pressing the power button. Then, ensure that your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Once you've confirmed that Wi-Fi is enabled, open the Brother Mobile Connect app. When you launch the app, you'll see an option to Add Machine at the top of the screen. Tap on it, then select Connect your machine to Wi-Fi. You can manually enter your printer's model number and select it from the drop-down list. Once your printer has been detected, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer's control panel for 2 seconds. You should start to see that the LED light is blinking. Next, head back to the mobile app, tap Confirm. You will then see a prompt asking you to connect to your device. Tap Connect to proceed. Next, tap Change to select the Wi-Fi network that you want your printer to connect to. Once you've chosen the correct network, enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect to begin the setup. After a few moments, you'll see a completion screen confirming that your printer has successfully connected to Wi-Fi. You can now exit the setup and confirm the printer is connected when the LED is no longer blinking.